rain. And the rain will come from sprinklers that we've hidden around this portion of our lot, in the trees, on your left-hand side, and up on the roofs, on those long, skinny poles. Right. Where's my rain? There it is. Now the thunder we're hearing is just for the tram. If we were filming a scene out here today, you wouldn't hear any thunder at all. Only about 15% of what you hear in the movies was actually recorded at the time of filming. Folks, that rumbling is not normal. Take cover. There's a flash flood headed straight for the tram. Ooh, and it's a big one. That was the biggest splash all day. Good thing you waited until the last tour. Alright, now that flash flood was actually the result of thousands of gallons of recycled water being pumped out of tanks at the top of that hill there. You can see it featured on your screen in the video.